September 2nd, 2025. Let's get into the charts. 40 more seconds. So pre-market high 23,455.25. Midnight open 23,435.75. Pre-market low 23,060. So we're going to be trading our opening range break. Depending on how this closes, we're going to get ready. May or may not add an extra position here. So because we are trading futures, we're going to just size appropriately. Yep, so this does look like it wants to go to the short side.
Order filled.
Cool, we have 1R already. Okay, too late for this. We already have 60 points in our favor.
Order filled.
Okay, we're gonna take it off there. If this comes above here, we're gonna just reconsider our positions. Yep. It's just the bounce we're looking for, this pre-market low break retest. Okay, we're gonna go in on our positions there. If this conquers, if this comes above this 2380 level, we are going to be out of this position. If this touches it or does anything funny, we're going to be out of that position. Yep. Nope, I don't want to be a part of it. Okay, we're out of that position. One more trade if I do decide on anything. Okay, opening range break idea invalidated now. Opening range break idea invalidated right now. Yeah, the next trade idea is the 15-minute orb. Yeah, now it's hitting where I wanted it to. This is like a long position now. Pop and fade. Alright guys, we're gonna note take a little bit. Yeah, now we're reaching. Honestly, guys, this looks like it's gonna come up at least 100 more points. So if anybody wants to take longs here, that would be the play. But because I only have one more bullet and this isn't part of my system, I will not be taking any trades. We have two pieces of news coming up. I have the 15-minute orb coming up. I'd just rather take a 15-minute orb entry. We already took we took some partials here when it kind of bounced up when I saw that green candle that looked fishy, so that was good on me on terms of intuition, because there were just last week there were many times where this just completely got continued selling off and we just printed. But for today, on the first day of the trading, on the first day of our trading week, it didn't happen that way. We are just rocketing up. How many points can this go from the lows? Honestly, it could go at least up to 200. It can go. This doesn't have to turn around. very surprised about this, but this makes me want to be a little bearish, but price action tells me that this is bullish based on where it is in comparison to the 21 moving average. Okay, guys, just one more trade for me. Still looking. It's uncomfortable to long this for me, cause maybe because I saw all this bearish action, but this is a long opportunity. This is a long opportunity. We just got news coming up. This might be a long angle. This just might be a long angle. So we'll load it up. So we'll load it up right here. Let's see the craziness that's about to happen. 20 more seconds. goodness, it was nothing. Yeah, this is a long angle. Let's see. Oh, too late. Too late. Still waiting for a long angle, but oh man. Still waiting for a long angle. Don't force the trade. Don't force the trade. Yeah, it's a little bit of a difficult chart for me to read. Yeah. This sequence right here is just very confusing for me. Very confusing for me. I'm okay with just chilling. We still have 10 a.m. news, so I'm okay with just chilling. Buying the strength. Yeah, If you cannot short this. If anything, you keep on buying the strength, but I am unable to right now. I'm still kind of attached to the idea of fading it, but I know that that's kind of a poor mindset to have, or poor is not the right word. It's the kind of not the money making mindset to have, because right now it's going up. Everything on the 1 minute chart, even on this 15-minute chart, is showing bullish, and here I am still attached. Yeah, that's probably the right word, attached. I'm attached to the idea that this should give up some of the move, but it doesn't have to do anything. I'm trading what's in front of me, just like how I took profits on the opening bell drive. 15-minute orb. Yep, I should have taken it. Opening bell drive. That was a good opportunity. 50-point move on the opening bell drive. On the 15-minute orb long. No, you cannot fade this move. I might be done for the day. This is definitely a buy the dip moment, but for some reason I still want to fade this, but so I gotta ignore that feeling. There's gonna be no more trades on the futures. If the right risk reward presents itself, we will trade something. Okay. All this is price discovery. Where are the... No. Pass it? Yeah, right here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yep, there's one of those fallacies on my end where I want to short the strength, which is just a bad idea. approaching VWAP on the 15 minute, so this is going to be a pretty interesting level. We still have news, so I'm gonna just hang tight. Okay, 3 more minutes. No, will not be. Okay, let's see. Is it bouncing off something? 260. No, there's no level being bounced. It was just discovering, but right now it got faded off this 240 level. Yep, and now it's trying to see what. That looks like a major support based on how that was handled. That looked like a major support. I will not be joining this before the news, so. Okay, 1 more minute. Oh man. As much as I don't wanna go long, this is a long angle. If it tails, yeah, if it tails and still stays above 2330, it's a long angle. Bring that down. Alright, let's see what news does. Let's see what the news does. Yep. Just based on how it was reacting here, that was a long angle. Didn't pull the trigger though, so Oh, wait, what's that? What's that going on there? Some eat the tail action. Okay. Let me eat the umbrella. Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Okay, we're gonna go in here. Stop loss. Stop loss at minus 10%. Yeah, we're gonna do a numerical stop loss. Okay. Numerical stop loss. That's it. Done for today. Damn. Done for the day. Damn, that sucked. Really thought that was gonna go. I really thought that was gonna go. 250, did not see this level. Now if I were to enter a position now it's a fade angle, because then it passed all of this and now it's unable to reclaim it. Well, it's trying to reclaim it now. But we're done, guys. We got our 2 losses of the day. Yeah, I mean, can't overtrade. Just gotta make sure that we're following our process, following our system. And alright, that'll be it for today, guys. 35 minutes. Trade 3 felt forced. I must admit, trade 3 felt forced. Felt done after trade 2, but I'm gonna improve on this today. Yeah, I'm gonna improve on this today. But thank you guys all for watching. Stay smart, trade safe.